It's time for the 2023 Halloween home tour, and first I'm going to show you all the bathrooms because it is still daylight outside, but as soon as it gets dark I'm going to show you the rest of the house. So if you wanted to see the decorating process, then I will have the decorate with me at the end of this video for y'all, but let's go ahead and jump right into the tour. This is our second bathroom, and I just put this little towel here that was from TJ Maxx, and then up here I just have this orange leaf pick. It's super sparkly and pretty. That I'm pretty sure was from Hobby Lobby. And then this pumpkin down here was from Dollar Tree. So if you have a Dollar Tree that has the $3 to $10 items in it, then that is where I found that one. And then this little thing of hand soap was also from TJ Maxx. So that's everything I have in this bathroom. Alright, this is our main bathroom. So let me give you a closer look. So in here we have another hand towel. This actually came with the other one. They came in a set of 3. I got them a couple of years ago, maybe last year. And then in this little wicker basket I have another one of those picks, and this one's just more brown. And then we've got our little scents right here. Got the cinnamon spice, and then farmhouse pumpkin patch, and I've got some of my Dossier perfumes in there that I've been wearing. So I've got the pumpkin patch going in the wax warmer, and then I've got this pumpkin here, which is from TJ Maxx or Hobby Lobby. And then this soap right here is actually like a skull underneath, and I got this whole thing at TJ Maxx. So that's everything for the bathroom. Alright, I'm so happy with how the Halloween decor turned out. This is probably my favorite Halloween decorating so far because there's a lot of stuff actually out, but it still feels like simple, which is what I love. Okay, so if you did not watch the other video, I have this little skeleton man Dollar Tree candles from Amazon. All three of them that you see here in a set. Girls, I got all three of them in here. And then I got these purple and green pumpkins right there. And he's just kind of holding them. I thought that was really cute. And then down here, I have my diffuser going. And I just have it on orange. And then have that little jack-o'-lantern right here. And then the sign is up there. Here's a little glimpse of the kitchen from far off. I really like this black netting for these shelves. Just makes it a lot more cozy. And then these are just Aaron's, let me move this. Those are his pieces of decor. And I just brought them out for Halloween. I really like this like pirate skull right here. It's got a glass marble. And then I've got another purple pumpkin back there. But I love how this just adds a little mystery to it. And here's how the living room looks from inside the kitchen. I may end up getting another spider. I have him on the wall right here, kind of like he's crawling up that. But I think it would be really cool to have one that goes in the corner. And I just have a little command sticky, or you could use glue dots as well, but I just used the command one. So all that's over here is that pumpkin, and then this candle that I had gotten from Family Dollar. It's green. So in the Decorate With Me, I ended up taking the table runner, which has a pumpkin on it. I just folding that and putting it right here with the 3 jack-o'-lanterns. Then on the kitchen table, just the centerpiece right here. I had so much fun making this. I think it's super whimsical, super like funky. It's kind of no rhyme or reason. Just kind of like the witch crashed into my vase and died. So there we go. Was that rude? It's just pieces of wood. It's okay. And then I've just got this little pillow pumpkin right here and one of my coasters. I really like this corner of the kitchen, which y'all know I'm in this corner all the time. I keep telling y'all I'm gonna have a regular, or I did have it actually. I don't know if I don't think I posted this right after the Decorate With Me. So there was a day in the life, a productive one, where we cooked, because I was telling my viewers I was gonna cook and clean, and then I ended up not doing it. So here are these bat, it says night bat spooky October 31st. I think it's super great, cute. It's a little creepy sign. Then this candle that I got from Walmart. All of these, they all kind of say the same thing. And then I've got these little pumpkins over here, and then Aaron's little dagger skull right here. And then over here, I just noticed there's a commercial on, y'all, real life over here. Oh, we've got this big pig, and then this little cookie jar that was from Family Dollar. Okay, and one of my favorite things that I just picked up, but this is one of my favorite things, is this boo mat. I thought it was so cute and different. I love it. I love how it's got the truck, which reminds me of fall. But then it's kind of got the Halloween vibes with the pumpkins and the ghost and the boo, and even one of them is driving. I just think that's so fun. Alright, here we go. Hopefully this gives y'all a good overview. I always have these lights glowing up here. I love having lights at night. And I got my girls. All three of them are in here because I believe the mom is in heat. So they're all three inside. And they're calmed down, which is good. Which the mom, she's very calm. But little Miss Margaret over here is a rowdy one. Well, she's a baby, so that's why. I think this is really simple and cute and doable. And it's still functional. You've got all the uses. And then, oh yeah, I showed y'all the bathrooms earlier. And they won't look any different at night. So, those are the only rooms we decorated. Anyways, I love y'all. I'm sending you all the love. And I'll see you back here very soon for another video. Bye.